Hello everyone, my name is Daniel and this is my final project for CS50. My final project is called Wellness50 and Wellness50 is a task manager. It's a very easy and simple one to use, and right here we have the function of creating a task. We have some task suggestions, which is pretty interesting. I'm going to be showing you guys later how I pulled this one out. So here I just added the task of make a cup of coffee, and let's say I've completed this task. I can just come here on completed task and complete it. Pretty simple. I can also reset every task back again to the state of not being completed, and I can also delete the tasks. Here I have daily motivation, which is a motivational quote that changes every time I refresh the page, and there's a diary tab, which is pretty self-explanatory. I just can add entries and there's going to be a date and time. The service also has a register and login function, so your data is safe right here. So on my own VS Code, I have a little bit of interesting things to show you guys. My register function basically looks for everything on the register.html, sees if the username already exists on the database, see if everything is right with both of the password and the confirmation of the password, and if everything is right, it inserts into the database. Everything works with the database so that it is consistent through sessions. My task suggestion also is kind of interesting because there's no extra table for the task suggestion. There's just a admin user which has the user ID of 2, and he is able to create a task for himself, but every task that he creates shows globally for everyone as a suggestion. So this is kind of a shortcut that I found for a admin tab. I don't have to create an admin tab because the user ID 2 is a admin that can do that. Here I'm gonna have the background, and the way that I've pulled out the background is kind of interesting because here on the background it's kind of a spinning gradient. Actually, this is not a static background, and the way that it works is that we have some keyframes of animation, which is basically rotation, and on this element background ball, which is not a ball, it's kind of a square, we're gonna have a linear gradient. So it's basically a gradient that spins, and it gives a very distinct look for the website, and it looks very professional. Most of the elements right here, they are transparent, so you can see the UI on the back, and it interacts very well. You can see the rest of the application on my GitHub. I have it posted up for everyone to see, download, and even contribute if they feel like. And this is my final CS50 project. Thank you very much for watching, and have